Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Curiosity. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of body language. Did you know that over half of all human communication is nonverbal? Our bodies are constantly sending out signals. Recognizing these signals can transform the way you interact with others. Stay tuned to learn the top tips for reading body language with actionable steps you can take right away. First, let's talk about eye contact, one of the most powerful tools in your nonverbal arsenal. Maintaining good eye contact is like a social handshake. It shows you're present, engaged, and interested. Avoiding eye contact can signal discomfort, disinterest, or even deceit. Eye contact should feel natural, not forced. Imagine your gaze is gently held by theirs like there's a magnetic pull. Hold it for a few seconds, then look away briefly before re-engaging. Remember, context is everything. The intensity of eye contact can vary depending on the culture and the situation. Next up, let's decode the silent language of posture. It's a fascinating aspect of nonverbal communication that we often overlook. How someone holds themselves can speak volumes about their confidence, emotions, and even their intentions. A simple shift in stance can change the entire message being conveyed. An open posture signals to the world that you're comfortable, approachable, and ready to engage. It invites positive interactions and can make social situations more pleasant. Closed-off postures like crossed arms or a hunched back often indicate defensiveness or insecurity. These subtle cues can create barriers in communication and make others feel unwelcome. Posture not only reflects how you perceive others, but also impacts how you perceive yourself. Maintaining good posture can boost your mood and overall health. Try this. Stand up straight, pull your shoulders back, and imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. This simple adjustment can make a world of difference. By consciously adjusting your posture, you can instantly boost your confidence and influence how others perceive you. It's a small change with a big impact on your personal and professional life. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, but the face is the whole house. Every subtle movement, every tiny twitch tells a story. Our faces convey a vast range of emotions, from joy and surprise to sadness and anger. A genuine smile, known as a Duchenne smile, involves the muscles around the eyes, creating crow's feet. This type of smile is often associated with true happiness and warmth. A forced smile often engages only the mouth, leaving the eyes uninvolved. This can make the smile appear insincere or even strained. Pay attention to the micro expressions that flit across someone's face for a split second. These brief, involuntary expressions can be incredibly revealing. These fleeting expressions can reveal hidden emotions, like a flash of anger masked by a quick smile. They are often subconscious and can betray our true feelings. Remember, facial expressions are like punctuation marks for our words. They help to emphasize and clarify what we are saying. They add emphasis, nuance, and emotional depth to our communication. Without them, our words would lack the richness and texture that make human interaction so meaningful. Ever notice how some people captivate you with their hand gestures? Our hands are powerful communication tools. Open palms are often associated with honesty and trustworthiness. Clenched fists or pointing fingers can signal aggression or a desire to dominate the conversation. Hand gestures should feel natural and spontaneous, not forced or rehearsed. Think of them as visual aids that emphasize your points and make your communication more engaging. So, the next time you're talking to someone, pay attention to their hands. Are they open and inviting or closed off and tense? You might be surprised by what you discover. Have you ever noticed that when you're really connecting with someone, you tend to unconsciously mirror each other's body language? This fascinating phenomenon happens more often than you might think. This mirroring, also known as the chameleon effect, is a subconscious way of building rapport. It's a natural behavior that helps us feel more connected and in sync with those around us. You can use mirroring strategically to enhance your connections with others. By subtly matching someone's body language, you can create a sense of harmony and understanding. Subtly match the other person's posture, hand gestures, or even their speaking pace. This can make conversations flow more smoothly and help build trust. Mirroring should be subtle and natural, not an imitation game. The key is to be genuine and not overdo it, as too much mirroring can come off as insincere. If you notice they're mirroring your body language, it's a good sign that you're building rapport. It means they feel comfortable and connected with you. And if not, try subtly mirroring them and see if it makes a difference. It's remarkable how such a small adjustment can have a big impact on your interactions. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Remember, mastering body language is an ongoing journey of observation, practice, and self-awareness. The more you tune into body language and cues, the easier it becomes to connect with others on a deeper level. Thanks for watching. Have a great night or day. Until next time.